of the chairman of the EC. I wish the council for the petition could be more specific on the areas where he thinks the chairman EC has to be cross-examined. As we pointed out, cross-examining in an election petition is not as of right. The court must be satisfied of the quality of evidence and the areas where the petitioner is seeking to cross-examine a witness, especially when this evidence is on record.
My lords, in respect to what my learned brother has indicated, I wish to submit that, first of all, the returning officer for purposes of this election is the chairperson of the Electoral Commission. And your lordships, I don't know how we would be able to cross-examine the director IT on matters, for example, that relate to the way those results were tallied at the polling center, because he was the head, he's the one who headed the tallying. And those are aspects that we can only put to the chairperson of the Electoral Commission. Then in respect to the issue where he says that most of the issues are denied, most of the facts are not denied, I wonder which facts he's talking about, because as far as we are concerned, most of the areas within their, most of the issues are denied within their answer. And that's why we find that it's really necessary to cross-examine the chairperson.
Okay, I think we are going to rule on this together with the application that we have. So let's leave it for now. So in case we are to allow you to do any cross-examination, it will be done on Monday 9th of February. And if you are to allow it. Then you will thereafter do submissions. So the petitioner's submissions, you will have 2 days. So the submissions should be in by 13th of Feb 2026. The respondent, you see, you file and serve, so that the other party does not lose out on time. Then the respondent submissions, your respondents will also have 2 days. That is, you put in your submissions on 15th of Feb 2026. And the rejoinder will be 1 day. That is on 16th of Feb 2026. So on the 18th of Feb 2026, all parties will come here. That's when we shall, based on your submissions, we shall see whether we need to allow you to highlight or whether we don't need your highlights. Because you see, your highlights are supposed to guide us, but if we think what you have put on record is enough, we may not actually take your highlights. And then we shall give you the judgment date on this day of the 18th of Feb. That's when we shall give you a date when we shall deliver the judgment. Okay, so we go to any clarification you seek. If it's not there, then let's go to the application.
Hearing Presidential Petition Miscellaneous Application number 1 of 2026. Robert Kasibante, the applicant, says His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, the Electoral Commission, and Attorney General, the respondent. The call is Honorable Justice Dr. Fianzei, the Chief Justice, Honorable and Honorable Justice Muzamiru Chibedi, all justices of the Supreme Court.
May it please your lordships. The bar, I don't know whether I should repeat. No. Just refer to the representation as before. Yes. And the representation of the parties as recorded earlier in this application. My lords, we are ready to proceed with the application.
Petitioner, stroke applicant, Dr. Julius Garisonga.
No, Counsel. We had earlier on, you had earlier on requested that you wanted to highlight. Is that what you are trying to do?
Yes, my lord.
And our decision is that we don't need your highlights. You filed very detailed submissions from both parties. We can only give you a date for ruling. You see, you highlight where things are not clear. Where you have submitted written submissions very clear as they are from both parties, because we've read them. So we think we don't need your highlights, both the petitioner and the respondents, so we shall give you a ruling on the 6th of February 2026.
Much obliged, my lords.
Yeah. And for the second respondent, we shall exhibit your documents on the day, that is the Monday, where they are requesting for cross-examination. But in case we don't allow it, we shall still exhibit your document on that. If we allow it, we shall exhibit your documents after the cross-examination. Okay. Yes.
My Lord Chief Justice, just to clarify that the dates for attendance of court, the time is 10. Yes. 10 a.m.
It is 10 a.m. Yeah, I was coming to that actually. The time when we start hearing. Okay. Any other clarification you seek? Okay, then if it's not there. Okay. Okay.
NBS happening now.
This Valentine's, make your love unforgettable with Radio Wala. For just 250,000 shillings, surprise your special someone with a personalized voice message, a custom Valentine video,
Kampala to Bushenyi, 2023, Kampala to Mbale, 2024.